Here's how you can make a quality video for your company's website.
Hi, I'm Andrew from Seek a Look Digital Video, giving tips on making videos, content creation and gear reviews. Subscribe below and leave a comment.
Have a concept and determine the format for your video. For example, is it a product demo or a talking head style video that requires a carefully worded script? Know the tools that you'll be using to create your video. Are you using an iPhone, a DSLR camera, a tripod, some lighting, a mic? Plan your shot and set the scene. What is the backdrop for your video? Keep it simple and short. End with a call to action. A clear call to action gives viewers a clear idea of what to do next. And remember to share your videos on social media. Keep these tips in mind as you plan and create a company video. That's a wrap.
For more filming tips, check out this playlist. And remember, subscribe below and leave a comment.